Hi there, Caroline here, and welcome back to my channel. My theme for this month is crystals. The past few months I changed the colors every week, but this month I want to try to be a little bit more consistent. For this week's crystal, I looked at some reference pictures and tried to sketch it out, and I really liked how it turned out. I started off by mixing carmine and ultramarine to get this shade of purple, or purple pink. I added a lot of water for the first layer. When I had the base coat done, I added a second layer with less water so that the color stands out more.
Every time I fall, I turn to music straight. Every time I fall, I turn to music straight. We're all shaking off our stress. We're all gonna figure out this mess. Goodbyes won't come till the sun's up. Sit back, enjoy the beats build up. Every time I fall, I turn to music straight. Every time the beats build up.
Then I added some bubbles and stars with black, as well as the dates. To make the lines crisper, I used a white gel pen as well as some highlights. I also added glitter accents with a silver metallic pen I have.
Every time I fall, I turn to music straight. Every time I fall, I turn to music straight. We're all shaking off our stress. We're all gonna figure out this mess. Goodbyes won't come till the sun's up. Sit back, enjoy the beats build up.
You made it till the end of the video! If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. All the materials I used will be in the description box below, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!